So PP says, please suggest who directs JVM to go to which pattern, or all these patterns are just our way of analyzing. See, PP, in this PowerPoint deck, we have, if you go to the video links and the help things here, there we talk about the patterns. So these are the patterns which has been developed, and so it's a public information, right? So it is available here in fast thread, right? Or yeah. So here are the patterns, and all these links are given in the PowerPoint deck. You can take a look at it. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going back. Okay. Ted Reed is asking, only problem with top is it doesn't provide configuration and allocation details. It's not great, but too. Okay, I agree. Yeah. We'll try to avoid the remarks. We'll try to avoid who couldn't figure out on such simple load balancer. Okay, so PP, Sai, we'll try to avoid the cloud provider who didn't figure out such a simple issue of load balance not distributing load properly. Yes, I was also highly surprised by the cloud provider, but that's what it is, right? It's not appropriate to give it in this public forum. Yeah. Okay. For information, Nmon is available as a Linux binary as well as AIX version. More for reviewing these details being covered under top discussion. I number of metrics with great details levels are visible by Nmon switches versus top. Is very helpful subcommand. Agreed highly. Okay. Okay, Ted, I think it's good information. We will look at Nmon as well. Okay. Okay. So if there aren't any other questions, thank you then. Okay. We'll wrap up this call. Thank you, friends.